Hey guys, welcome back to some cute video. I'm going to show you the best settings for the tornado review. This is like the best cube out there. So I'm going to show you why my settings are. When I start in here, in the ring it says 3, but here it says 4. So it's like really smooth. So in the ring 3, outside the ring 4. Now we're gonna look at the edge magnets. They're in the middle. I have it on the strongest setting for a while, and then I place it up on the last one. Now it doesn't feel more magnetic, but it is magnetic. But it doesn't do like a non-magnetic do after turning like this. After turning, it looks like this, not this. So that is what I have. I have some lube I have into again. Number 1 lube. Not so much. That's everything today. Bye.